Imagine sitting at a desk where the line between absolute raw computational power and elegant, high-end design completely vanishes into thin air. For years, creative professionals, heavy workflows, and power users have been begging Apple for one specific machine to return to the lineup. And right now, the silence has finally been broken. The legendary pro-grade desktop experience is making a massive, unapologetic comeback with the all-new Apple iMac Pro 2026. This is not just another minor annual spec bump or a subtle color refresh meant to fill space in a lineup. This is a complete, ground-up reimagining of what an all-in-one workstation can actually achieve when unleashed without limitations. Apple has engineered a machine designed to dismantle heavy visual workflows, annihilate render times, and give high-level creators a workstation that feels almost futuristic in daily operation. If you thought desktop computing had peaked, what Apple has packed into this ultra-sleek, precision-milled aluminum chassis is about to fundamentally alter how you look at pro-tier hardware forever. Unprecedented architecture demands a complete design overhaul, and the 2026 iMac Pro delivers an aesthetic presence that commands any studio room instantly. Moving far past the consumer-focused pastel aesthetics of standard models, this machine adopts a deep, stealthy space black matte aluminum finish that completely absorbs surrounding light. The bezels surrounding the screen have been drastically reduced to near-invisible borders, offering a seamless floating glass aesthetic that draws your eyes straight into the work without a single visual distraction. The signature chin at the bottom has been re-engineered into an active vapor chamber exhaust intake system, blending high-end thermal dynamics directly into the iconic industrial form factor. Every angle feels intentional. Every curve serves a functional purpose, and the overall physical presence instantly signals that this machine belongs strictly in high-end production environments. At the absolute center of this ultimate setup sits a breathtaking 32-inch Pro Display XDR workstation panel featuring cutting-edge Tandem OLED display technology. Delivering a true native 6K resolution, this screen reaches astonishing peak HDR brightness levels that bring deep, infinite blacks and brilliant highlights to life simultaneously. Photographers, colorists, and cinematic directors gain access to full wide color gamut accuracy with hardware-level calibration capabilities built directly into the macOS architecture. The integration of smooth promotion dynamic high refresh rate technology ensures that every timeline scrub, complex 3D view manipulation, and system navigation fluidly glides under your fingers with hyper-responsive precision. Micro-etched nanotexture glass comes standard on the display surface, virtually eliminating ambient reflections and harsh room glare while maintaining pristine color integrity and razor-sharp text clarity even under intense studio light setups. Beneath this magnificent display panel lies the true mechanical powerhouse driving the entire machine, powered by the next generation of Apple Silicon performance. Configurable with the jaw-dropping M5 Max or the utterly unbelievable M5 Ultra Silicon configurations, the 2026 iMac Pro introduces a radical architectural leap in unified processing power. With an expanded core setup split perfectly between ultra-high-performance processing cores and high-efficiency background compute cores, this desktop breezes through massive multi-track video timelines, multi-layered 8K raw video rendering, and heavy computational code compiles without breaking a single sweat. The massive underlying graphical compute architecture enables real-time, hardware-accelerated ray tracing, letting 3D animators and game developers render complex lighting models directly in the viewport without relying on external render farms or loud external enclosures. Memory bandwidth has reached unprecedented dynamic thresholds within this new unified architecture system, offering support for massive capacities of unified memory running on ultra-fast system buses. The iMac Pro allows heavy power users to keep dozens of massive project files, giant virtual instruments, high-resolution textures, and heavy background scripts active in RAM simultaneously. System bottlenecks are completely eliminated, letting your creative instinct flow entirely without weight. ING for progress bars or unexpected frame drops during heavy workload sessions. Storage performance matches this blistering speed, utilizing ultra-fast solid-state storage arrays that read and write massive files almost instantaneously, making multi-gigabyte project transfers feel virtually instantaneous. Managing such immense compute performance inside an ultra-slim desktop form factor required a total breakthrough in thermal management design. Apple engineers developed an advanced dual-silicon liquid vapor cooling matrix coupled with twin whisper-quiet magnetic levitation fans. This sophisticated thermal system continuously draws cool air through hidden bottom microperforations, circulating it precisely over key internal components before silently releasing heat out through subtle rear exhaust channels. Even when pushing the M5 Ultra chip to its absolute maximum compute capacity during prolonged export sessions, the internal operating temperatures remain low while noise levels stay below ambient room audio, ensuring your recording environment remains completely pristine and distraction-free. Audio performance inside the iMac Pro receives a massive upgrade to complement the reference-grade visual experience. An advanced 6-speaker sound system featuring dual force-canceling woofers and high-performance tweeters fills your studio room with rich, room-shaking bass and crystalline highs. Advanced spatial audio algorithms create an immersive, multi-dimensional soundstage, allowing audio engineers and music producers to preview spatial mixes directly from the built-in desktop setup without immediately putting on reference headphones. Accompanying this internal speaker array is a studio-quality 3-microphone array with extreme signal-to-noise ratios, capturing pristine vocal clarity for remote production meetings, live streams, and instant scratch voiceover recordings right out of the box. Modern professional workflows rely heavily on ultra-fast external connectivity options, and the 2026 iMac Pro sets a high standard for desktop expansions. Embedded directly on the rear and side panel edges are high-speed Thunderbolt 5 ports capable of delivering mind-boggling data throughput speeds, perfect for connecting external high-speed RAID arrays and multi-monitor setups. Dedicated high-speed Ethernet capabilities ensure high-speed local network connectivity for massive server environment transfers, while front-facing high-speed SD express card slots provide lightning-fast file offloading straight from camera media cards. Wireless standards are fully updated with ultra-fast Wi-Fi and advanced Bluetooth connectivity, ensuring rock-solid stability for wireless peripherals, audio equipment, and ecosystem handoff features. The desktop ecosystem experience is elevated even higher through deep hardware integration with advanced machine learning hardware modules built right into the core silicon architecture. These specialized neural compute engines accelerate machine learning workflows, localized language model processing, visual subject isolation, and automated smart audio mastering directly on the local machine. Video editors can instantly isolate objects, track motion graphics, and apply heavy noise reduction filters without generating render times or taxing the main graphical processors, transforming complex multi-hour post-production routines into quick real-time automated workflows. Completing the studio ecosystem package are the newly redesigned Space Black input peripherals included directly in the box. The Magic Keyboard features an integrated Touch ID security sensor, full media controls, and a solid weighted chassis that sits firm on your desk during intense typing sessions. The accompanying Magic Mouse and Magic Trackpad feature upgraded precision tracking sensors and high-density glass surfaces that allow smooth multi-touch gesture navigation across massive high-resolution canvas layouts. Charge ports have been conveniently positioned for continuous, uninterrupted wired or wireless usage, ensuring your workspace remains clean, organized, and ready for work at any given moment. When you bring all these cutting-edge features together into a single unified desktop chassis, the 2026 Apple iMac Pro emerges as an incredible achievement in modern workstation technology. It bridges the gap between sleek all-in-one design and uncompromised studio performance, giving creators the absolute best tools available to bring our vision to life. The long wait for a true pro-level desktop screen solution is officially over, and a standard for professional workstation hardware has just been completely redefined.